What is belief for you? What is belief? Can anybody describe the word belief?
Me?
Yeah. Go ahead. City Gardening.
Believing like something, feeling that maybe we can achieve something even we don't have it. I mean, having something even right now we don't having them yet. But we believe that one day we will.
Okay, that is a good answer for the word belief. So I'll give you the scientific, how they describe the word belief. Okay, belief is the things that you think are correct. Things that you think are correct. That means that is correct for you, right? Okay. So simple things. A suicide bomber think I'm going to kill all these people. So they are thinking that suiciding is okay. Going and suiciding and killing 100 people is okay. That is their belief, right? They easily can do it because they believe it, right? Okay. Some of your beliefs are different from my beliefs. Then what happened? We are going to have a collide. We are going to fight with each other, right? People are fighting because of beliefs, right? Someone is believing in Islam as a religion. Someone is saying no, Christianity. Someone is saying no, Buddhism. Someone is saying no, atheism. No, there's no God. Somebody is saying, right? And then somebody else is saying something else. Understand? That is their belief, right? Whatever they think, it is true. Okay? Belief is something like that. How many of you can swim? Wade can swim. Okay, fantastic. Christy can swim. Okay, who else? James can swim. Okay. Amil also can swim. Who cannot swim? Come on, guys. There must be somebody who cannot swim also. Shankar. Arun cannot swim. Okay. Bindusri. Okay. Lakshika cannot swim. Okay.
Swim.
Lakshika. Okay. Unmute the mic. Have you tried to swim before?
I tried to swim, but I couldn't actually.
You went under the water and water went inside your nose and you start to cough. Is that so? What is your experience? When you try to swim?
Actually, at the age of 10 to 14, I tried so much.
How many times you tried? 3-4 times?
4 times.
Four
Yes.
times. Okay, 4 times.
4 times, yes.
Okay.
And actually, I got drowned.
Drowned? Oh my God. Happy that you are still alive. Okay. Okay. Okay, Lakshika. Okay. Lakshika tried 4 times and couldn't succeed. So quit. Okay. So who else? Arun, let's see what's Arun's experience. How do you know that you can't swim?
I tried, but I couldn't do that properly.
Where did you try? In a swimming pool or a lake or maybe the sea? Okay, where did you try?
In lake.
Lake, okay. And how many times you tried? 1 or 2? How many?
In few times, maybe 4 or 5 times.
Okay. Okay, Arun, thank you for sharing, right? So now, Obaid, how did you learn to swim?
The first time I actually tried to swim, I drowned.
Okay, and then how did you learn how to swim? Finally.
Then I had classes.
Okay, and then?
When I was very young, but still, I drowned a lot of times before I actually learned how to swim.
Okay. Like about how many times? So many times, right?
Yeah, I can't even count. I drowned so many times.
Okay. And then you went through a coach, had some sessions to learn?
Yeah.
And after that, you were able to swim?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, thank you, Obaid. Yeah. Okay, so guys, I want you to know that the belief happens with belief means the things you think which is right, correct, right? Belief happens with either zero experience, right? Or maybe 1 experience, or maybe 2 experience, 3, 4, maximum 5, okay? Not more than that. So now Lakshika saying I cannot swim because of 4 attempts failing. So rest of her life I thought I cannot swim. Arun tried to swim several times and failed. So I cannot swim, okay? Now asking somebody who has succeeded, okay, Obaid. He said countless times he failed. Then he had professional coaching. And then he was able to swim. And it's a simple example, okay? Very simple example. So Arun and Lakshika believe I cannot swim. But Obaid also maybe had the same thought when he drowned first 3-4 times, but he somehow kept going till the time he's able to swim. Right? So belief happens with either zero experience, that means imagination. What if I drowned? There are some people who told me that, no, I never got into any swimming pool. Really? Any lake? No, not even the sea, nothing, nowhere. But I cannot swim. Why? If I drown, what if I drown? They never tried, but that is the imagination, okay? So they are saying that I cannot swim with zero tries. And some people try once and fail and say, I cannot swim. Some people try twice and say, I cannot swim. 4, maybe 3, 4, 5, right? After 5 attempts, 100% true. Yes, I believe I cannot swim. There is a belief work, you understand, right? So now it is time for you to question your belief. All the beliefs am I having are right. Whenever you say, I can't do this, I can't do maths properly. Why? I messed up 10 exams. I wrote 2 plus 2 is equal to 24 in many exams and I got it wrong. I make a lot of careless mistakes. I make a lot of careless mistakes is your belief, okay? Because of 1, 2 or 3 experiences. Okay? I cannot drive. It's a stupid thing. Why? Because you tried maybe once or twice and oh my god, I cannot drive, right? Everything you believe today, I want you to question it. That it happened because of either imagination, zero experience, or else 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 failures. Okay? So once you understand it happened because of 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, 5 failures, because of 5 failures, believing something is stupid, no? Right? Somebody went to school and completed the school should not do that. That is stupid, too stupid. To believe in something, with 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, 5 experiences. Right? So it is, whenever you think I cannot do something, then you start to, first thing is, you start questioning yourself, okay? Question yourself. When the hell I started to believe that I cannot swim? Because of 1 or 2 or 3 or failures. It is very stupid, really, to believe something like that. You question your belief and then you doubt your belief. Doubt saying that I am always not right, I am stupid to believe something like that. Right? You doubt your belief. That, and then you start to, number 3, seek. What you need to do, go to a public forum and say, hey, is there anybody who can swim? Yes, somebody like James, somebody like Obed, right? And there are a few more people. I didn't find the, I think Amila, right? Those who can swim will say, yeah, I can swim. Really? How? What did you do? And now seek. And then ask. How? And then number 4, do what they have done. Simple, right? Simple as that, right? What they have done? Obed start to drone several times till the time he get the professional coaching. Right? So then your belief cannot change. Oh, that is something stupid I have been believing, right? You understand? Building a dream house is also like a belief. How can I earn that much money? People say like that, right? How can I earn that much money? How can I buy this? How can I do that, right? That is the belief you have, right? Now, how belief is affecting your results, I'll tell you, okay? How belief is affecting your results. So now everyone clear, right? All beliefs you have, 99% of the beliefs you have are stupid, okay? Stupid, really stupid, okay? Sorry to tell this to your face, but that is the truth. Now, this belief is what is going to define your potential. The potential you have. The belief is high, potential is very high. If no belief, no potential. Right? And then your potential is going to decide your action. The guy wants to sell this remote. Okay, going to house and saying, this is one of the best remotes in the world. Oh my god, this is going to be much more better than everything. Very excited, okay? Very enthusiastic, very much energy, talking. If the belief is high and the potential is very high, action will be massive action. And the customer says, no, I don't want. Okay, go to next house. Hey, this is very good. Keep talking, okay? No. Next house. No. Next house. No. Next house. No. After 100 houses, he's going to house number 101. Knock the door. The customer opened the door, the person. You also don't buy this one, right? You don't want to buy also, right? This is the change happening, right? What happened? Belief, okay. Now, action will lead into the result. Right? So, if this result is a failure, what happened to the belief? I told you, belief is going to change with 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 failures, right? So, now belief is going to go down with one failure, right? You try second time, again belief will go down more. Right? You try third time, belief will go down more. Fourth time, belief will go down more, right? And this is how millionaires become beggars. There are people, they became millionaires suddenly and they became beggars after that. Why? Because they were running in a negative cycle, okay? Guys, I'll explain you in this way, okay? So, result will change the level of belief, okay? Understand? Okay, for example, okay, I will tell you like this, okay? So, today you are intense. You came because of a recommendation of someone, right? You came because of a recommendation of someone. And the person who has referred you, if the person says that this is good, if you complete this course, you may identify many ways to make money. Would you really make a decision to do it? No. But if the person says, you have to do it, I guarantee you, if you complete this course and if you 100% stay committed to your, whatever you do, I'm pretty sure you are going to become a freaking millionaire. See the action, difference of the action, right? So all this happening because of belief. So guys, you have to start with the highest belief, whatever you do. Highest belief will give you the highest potential and highest action, massive action, and the result will be high. What happens if the result is high? Your belief gets more. When your belief gets more, your potential is even more, your action is even more, your result will be even more. Then what happens? Your belief will become more, right? More belief, more potential, more action, massive action, and then better results. And this is how people are running in a positive cycle. And average people become millionaires in very short span of time. At the same time, when you are going in the negative cycle, by starting with less belief. Starting with less belief is the problem, okay? Starting with less belief, less potential, less action, no result. And then I did not get a result, right? The belief even goes down. And then less potential, even less potential, even less action, and no result again, or maybe very less results. And after some time, you will explain us how nothing will work. Understand? I'm trying to explain you how to make a business and how to succeed, but you will explain me, no, how it is not going to work. Because you are going in the negative cycle now, right? Understand? Maybe you tried once, twice, or thrice, maybe 10 times, maybe 20 times, maybe 100 times, right? You understand how belief works, right? So belief is the fuel of everything. Whatever you believe, your potential will determine with that, and then the action, and then the result. The result will determine everything. You understand? So if you have a negative belief, question it. When you question it, you will get the chance to doubt yourself. Once you doubt, then you have to seek what successful people have done. Once you seek it, and once you really found out what mistake you have done, what they have done differently to achieve what they have achieved, that is when you have to just duplicate it, copy paste, just do what they have done. Simple as that, right? Okay.